6. Lesson 2. Must and have to. Must. Must shows obligation. Must he eat the broccoli? Must I clean my room? Yes, you must. The negative form is must not or mustn't. You must not run near the pool. You mustn't fight. We can answer questions with short answers or long answers. Must we study tonight? Yes, you must. Yes, you must study tonight. Must I wear a helmet? Yes, you must. That's the short answer. Must he wear pads? Yes, he must wear pads. That's the long answer. Have to. Have to shows necessity. You have to brush your teeth. Does he have to wear gloves? The negative form is don't have to, doesn't have to. She doesn't have to wake up early on Sundays. They don't have to study now. We can answer questions with short answers or long answers. Does she have to go to the supermarket? Yes, she does. Yes, she has to go to the supermarket. Does he have to wash the dishes? Yes, he does. That's the short answer. Does she have to practice the violin? Yes, she has to practice the violin. That's the long answer. Have to does not change with the negative form. He has to read that book for school. He doesn't have to finish the book tonight. Let's review. Must shows obligation. They must get to school by 7:30. Must they wear life jackets? Yes, they must. Have to shows necessity. He has to take a shower tonight. Does he have to go to the dentist? Yes, he has to go to the dentist. Now let's practice with our books and workbooks. Happy practicing!